Hello everyone, welcome back to For Engineering. Today's lesson I want to continue on top 100 shortcuts in AutoCAD 2025. First one is Q save for quick save your drawing. Next one is B for block. Next W for W block. Save block as a separate drawing file. Q selected for quick select. For example, by layer, we have some layers. Let's select the doors. For example, layer door. Okay. Select for us. G for group. We can select some objects and make a group. Enter. As you see, we make a new group. UCS man manage use it for manage and modify user coordinate system. Region all for refresh the entire drawing view. LW line weight setting. Next, text align. For example, let's make some text. We have another text here. Let's align this to text. Write text align. Select both of them. Space. Let's use the pointers. Let's align to this point here, both of them. As you see, this text align. And the last one, DDP type. Here we can choose the point style. Thanks for watching, guys.